Hi children, welcome to my YouTube channel EduCub. Uh, we have already discussed about the first lesson from grade 8 science, importance of microorganisms. Today we are going to discuss about part 3. Our topic is impact of microorganisms on humans and their activities. Some microorganisms are beneficial to human while some are harmful. That means some microorganisms are beneficial to the human, some can be harmful. So let's talk about beneficial effects of microorganisms. We can be discussing under three parts. Beneficial effects of microorganisms are several types. So first one is usage of microorganisms in different industries. Second one is microbial decomposition of dead plants and animal matter. Third one, microbiological pest control. The first one is usage of microorganisms in different industries. Since ancient times, man has been using microorganisms in different industries. Let's discuss about some examples: producing cheese, bakery products, producing yogurt, producing curd, producing vinegar, producing antibiotics, food as mushrooms, producing producing vaccines, producing biogas, coal industry, making compost. Second one is microbial decomposition of dead plants and animal matter. That means microorganisms decompose dead plant and animal matter. If not, these matter get collected and if it affects to the balance of the environment. Therefore, microorganisms contribute to the well-being of the environment. This is the picture of decomposition of plant matter and animal plant matters. Third one, biological pest control. Microorganisms are also used to control pests. This is one of the biological control method of pests. It is the way of pest controlling by using microorganisms. Let's talk about harmful effects of microorganisms. Harmful effects of microorganisms are several types, like first one, food spoilage. Second one, causing infectious diseases for man, animals and crops. Third one, economical damage to cloth and wooden furniture. First one is food spoilage. Microbial activity causes food spoilage. This is the method of food spoilage which we can see in our day-to-day life. Growth of microorganisms on fruits, growth of microorganisms in bread. Second one is causing infectious diseases for man, animals and crops. Let's talk about the diseases caused to the man by microorganisms. Virus, common cold, dengue, AIDS. By bacteria, typhoid fever, leprosy, tuberculosis. By protozoa, malaria, leishmaniasis, amoebiasis. By fungi, sore, pityriasis. Let's discuss about the infection diseases caused by animals. You can see a bull suffering from foot and mouth disease. It is happens because of microorganism. Second one, a cow suffering from mastitis. Mast. Third one, a dog suffering from rabies. Infectious diseases caused by to the plant. Plants get infectious diseases due to the microorganisms also. First one, pawpaw leaves with mosaic disease. Next one is potato plant with blight. Third one is chili plant with leaf curled disease. Let's see damage caused due to the growth of microorganisms on surface of objects. Growth of microorganisms on clothes, walls, building and wood has been caused adverse effect of the economy. These effects are mostly caused by fungi. First one you can see fungi on walls. Second one, fungi on wooden surface. Third one, fungi on cloths. This is what we have to discuss to today's lesson. Thank you.